Hello everyone, welcome to our ITW Singapore Tech Center. I'm Vivek, Welding Engineer with ITW. And today we are going to do induction heating demonstration using our ProHeat induction heating unit. And we are going to use a heating tool called Rolling Inductor. So the Rolling Inductor over here is a tool which utilizes induction heating to heat the jobs. And special thing with this rolling inductor is it's used for preheating the rotating pipes. So coming to the rolling inductor, can you zoom in? Yeah. So this rolling inductor can take up to 20 kilowatt power to induce heat inside the base material. And if suppose your job is bigger, you could have two rolling inductors and can use up to 35 kilowatt power. Okay. So today we are heating this pipe. This pipe is 18-inch diameter and the thickness is 25 mm. The weld groove is at the center and the rolling inductor is put over, just keeping it in the center with the weld groove. So rolling inductor has under it, the area which it can heat is about 5.5 inches. And today we have attached an accessory which is called travel detector, the wheel that you are seeing over here. The main purpose of this wheel is to monitor the rotation of the rotating pipe. So in case unintentionally somebody stops the rotator, then the travel detector will automatically send a feedback, an error to the ProHeat to stop sending the power in there. All right, so now we will proceed with our program on the ProHeat system. We are going to heat this pipe, preheat this pipe for up to 120 degrees Celsius. And so the setting that we are going to do in here is, it is going to be very simple. The mode that we are using is manual, because we have not connected any IR device or temperature thermocouple in there. So it will be basically your power, how much power you are using. Second parameter would be the run time, like how long you want this cycle to go on. So over the time period when our customers, when people they start preheating repetitively certain job dimensions, they will know that within 3 minutes, 4 minutes with this kind of power, I can uniformly preheat my job. So in our case, we already know that it will take not more than 4 minutes to really heat this job. So we will know when we are heating the job. So I'm setting here 4 minutes for now, right? So the coolant is already started and we will target 120 degrees Celsius. And the thing is, we have an infrared camera in here. And this infrared camera we will use as a tool to visualize the heating. This is for visual purpose only. We for in an actual kind of environment in a production, you could use this IR thermometer, which is quite commonly used, and the welder can, or the welding operator can see the temperature manually like this. And if they have reached the temperature, they could either manually stop the power, or they could set a timer and the power will automatically shut down. Okay, so with that, I believe that we can start the heating job now, right? So before starting the heat, I will have to start rotating the pipe. Okay, so I'm gonna rotate the pipe. The travel speed which we have set, it's about 40 inches per minute for this one. And you could play with that. You could set higher or lower depending on the thickness and diameter of the tubulars or vessels that you are heating up, right? So the pipe is already rotating. I'm gonna switch on the run button over here, and I'll show you how much actual power is being used in the beginning. And on the picture-in-picture, you will continue to see how much temperature has been increasing while the pipe is rotating. Okay. So I'm going to start the heating now. So you'll see that heat is on. So the power has reached 19.5 kilowatt. So the heating has started here. So I'm gonna check the temperature just like in normal time. That, yeah, so we have reached about 130 degrees Celsius here. So the temperature has reached, even on our infrared we can see it's about 140 at the location where the welder is going to weld, which is somewhere here if you are welding FCA or other like semi-automatic processes. If you are doing sub-arc, you might be welding over here, then the rolling inductor can be moved a little bit down and the vessel will be bigger as well, right? So I believe we have reached the temperature. Yeah, we targeted 120, so we have already reached the temperature. Now remember we talked about the travel detector, right? So we are going to, I'm going to stop the travel detector. Danu, you could zoom in here. I'm gonna stop the speed here, okay? And then you'll see that machine will automatically stop providing the power. I'm gonna stop it now. So you can see here, automatically there is a limit being provided. Yeah, so you can see now no more power is going on in there. The power is 0 now. So the ProHeat, because of the travel detector, immediately knew that the pipe stopped rotating and the power is made 0, which means that it will not make, I mean, your job will not overheat. Okay. So with this we have completed our demonstration of rolling inductor, and thank you for joining in.